Have you ever wondered how to teach your children about emotions? This intriguing question opens a door to a world where understanding emotions isn't just a part of growing up. It's a part of growing stronger and more empathetic. Creating an open environment lays the foundation. It's a space where children feel comfortable expressing their emotions, where they are encouraged to share their feelings without fear of judgment. The next step is identifying emotions. It's about helping children put a name to what they're feeling. Using simple language and engaging visuals can make this process easier and more enjoyable. The importance of validating feelings cannot be overstated. All emotions are valid and normal. Sharing personal stories about dealing with emotions not only makes children feel understood, but also gives them practical examples of how to manage their feelings. Equipping kids with coping strategies is another crucial step. These are tools they can use when emotions become overwhelming. Simple techniques like deep breathing exercises, drawing, or physical activities can be incredibly effective. And finally, fostering empathy. It's about teaching children to understand and respect the emotions of others, helping them build stronger and more meaningful relationships. To summarize, teaching children about emotions involves creating a supportive environment, identifying and validating emotions, providing coping strategies, and encouraging empathy. It's an ongoing process requiring patience, presence, and modeling. By embracing and understanding our own emotions, we create a positive environment for our children to do the same. Join us on this journey to nurture the emotional growth of our children. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing those beautiful little hearts.